Welcome back to the WunderTrading channel, traders. In this video, we'll look at a novel ATR-based trading method. We will analyze market volatility and capitalize on it. You will be able to make more precise and profitable deals with this method. So sit back and prepare to see how ATR and market volatility may help you achieve your trading objectives. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you would like to see more free strategies. So, first and foremost, we must comprehend how our script works and what it is founded on. We will utilize ATR in its many versions for trading. First, we need to add an indicator that will combine ATR with the moving average. I pre-programmed the parameters for this indicator, but you are free to use your own. This indicator provides ATR as well as a simple moving average. This combination aids in detecting market fluctuations. The ATR, or average true range, is a financial technical indicator used to evaluate market volatility. The average of true ranges for the stated number of periods is used to determine ATR. In addition to ATR with the moving average, we will apply another ATR parameter stated as a percentage to determine how volatile the market is and if it is worthwhile to buy or sell at this time. For trading, we will filter the market and only execute trades inside the given range. This range will vary depending on the asset, thus you will need to alter the parameters if you wish to trade on numerous assets. Okay, let's take a closer look at the chart's entrance points. To enter the long, we need the ATR to be higher than the moving average, or in the green zone. To validate the signal, the percentage ATR must be within the indicated range. The standard RSI will be used as an extra filter. It is critical that we wait until the RSI is either above or below 50. To enter short, it is also important for us to be in a given percentage range and see a red zone relative to the moving average. RSI must be less than 50. So, let's attempt a global backtest. Based on this we can see that strategy is highly consistent, with a high percentage of profitable trades and a very small drawdown. The method is also effective on other assets such as Matic, Ripple, and DOT. Let's now take a look at the settings of our strategy. First of all, you can select the direction of your trades. Here you can choose whether to open only long or only short strategies. This strategy uses a classic fixed take profit and stop loss levels. In addition, we use a trailing stop after the first take profit. Trailing stop allows you to collect the movement many times more than the classic take profit. Since the strategy is looking for volatility for us, this is more relevant than ever. We strongly recommend that you set the trailing stop equal to the take profit target. In this case, the trailing stop will be equal to the entry point. If there is a rollback for us, this will be the break-even area. Below you can see the ATR settings and RSI settings, as well as the range levels for the ATR percentage, which you can customize them individually for your asset. In addition to the indicators that we have already mentioned, we used our own optimization system. The next block we use is the optimization block, which includes money management settings. The system calculates the volume per trade so that your loss is limited to the risk you set. You can change it depending on your risk preferences. An important parameter is the volume in contracts. By enabling or disabling this option, you will change the calculation of the position. It will be either in contracts or in dollars. This is done in order to correctly transfer the volume to the WunderTrading platform. The last block of settings is related to the comments from the WunderTrading platform, which we need to automate our strategy. Okay, let's automate our strategy and turn it into a trading bot. First of all, we need to switch to the WunderTrading platform. Select the My Bots tab and click Add New. Write down the name of the bot, select your exchange and the API you want to trade with, and select the timeframe and pair you plan to trade on. For our strategy, the function, Custom Amount Sent from TradingView, is important. We will use it to transfer the volume in dollars for each trade. And since we will be transferring the volume in dollars, we need to turn off the calculation of the volume for contracts in TradingView strategy settings. The backtest will not be correct, but on the other hand, we will correctly send the volume in dollars. Since our strategy should fix part of the position after the first take profit, the value for this take profit must be set in the bot settings. For example, we will fix 50% after 4%. So, these are all the settings that we need at the moment. The next thing you need to do is copy and paste the comments into the strategy settings. Let's do it. The final step to creating your bot with WunderTrading is to create an alert that will send this comment to the WunderTrading platform. Click on the Create Alert button and add a message from your bot settings, add a webhook. Create an alert. Return to the platform and save your bot. That's all. You can add this script from the link in the description and also automate it with WunderTrading. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and wish you good luck in trading.